Hey guys, welcome to Cash Creator. As you have already read by the title, today I'm going to show you how I do my own photo shoots. First of all, if you don't know me, go on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. Go on and follow me there. So, let's get into the video. So first of all, as you can see, I'm not at all ready right now. So basically first thing I want to do is get ready. So let's get this face pretty. The first thing I do is I apply this thing onto my face. This is L'Oreal Paris Regenerate Revital Lift Micro Essence, and I'm using this from a month, and this does wonders to your face. So as you can clearly see that I have not applied any filter to this video or anything else. Still my skin looks so pretty and like glowy. It is all because of this small stuff here. This is a 22 ml bottle. There are 3 sizes in it, and plus this is not a sponsored video. I have seen lots of YouTubers use this, and then I have started using it, and I'm loving it, and I'm gonna order big bottles now. So let's apply. 2-3 drops are just more than enough for it. Just gently rub and pat it on your skin, and it's super lightweight and it feels like you are just applying water to your skin, and it smells amazing. So let's finish up the makeup process and I'll be back. I'm all ready. I have changed my outfit as well. So the first thing whenever I do a photo shoot is think of a theme. Without theme, your photo shoot will look very plain and simple. I do mostly indoor photo shoots, so I have to come up with a theme every time. So I was scrolling through Instagram, and I found this photo right here of Unnati, and it was very interesting to me because she used silver foil paper as a prop, and it looks stunning. And then I thought an idea of why not we also do the photo shoot of similar to that. So today I'm gonna choose the theme of using silver foil paper as a prop. So I'm gonna do it on this wall, I guess, right here. So let's go. So as you can see, this is time lapse of me putting the foil papers up on the wall. So first I do is I cut a piece of foil paper and then crumple it and open it neatly as possible, and then stick it with the sellotape. And here, as you can see, I am struggling with opening the sellotape here, and so that the crumples, whenever the light hits the crumples, the effect it gives is very good. So as you can see, I am putting layers of foil paper. Match it to your height so that it can give a good coverage whenever you are sitting or standing in front of it. So as you saw, I set up this. So अभी हम start करेंगे हमारा photo shoot. So I'm using 700D as my camera for today. Okay, I'll be shooting from this camera as well as my phone, so that if you want you can shoot with your phone as well. I'm using 50mm lens, as you can see right over here, and let's get shooting. So guys, as you can see, this is my setup. There's my camera, and this is the light I'm gonna be using, and here am I. Hi. So I'm gonna shoot with the camera as well as this phone. So guys, you can see how the photos come different in the phone as well as in the camera. So let's get started. So as you can see, I'm just trying here to click some photos of myself. This is me, all of the doing behind the scenes. It takes lots of shots to come that one shot which I particularly like. As you can see, my phone was quite falling all the time, and secondly I have to adjust my hair here and there until and unless I get that perfect shot. Try different poses, try to do different stuffs so that the photos turned out to be good. Sometimes I literally get frustrated coming up with new what we can say poses, but you have to go with it, and the foil was doing so amazing justice to it. And here I am like already scrolling through the photos I took with on my phone here. So here is my phone's photo and here is my DSLR's photo. As you can see the difference, yes, the main difference would be the quality. The quality of the DSLR will always be much better. Hey guys, just a side note, whenever you feel like that your camera is not doing justice or something like that, that your photos are not looking good into your camera, do not delete it. Do not delete it. I'm repeating again, do not delete it. It may look weird in camera on a first note, but then editing your photo will change the game completely. I used to delete my photos from the camera directly, whichever I don't like, but then I watched Peter McQueen's one video which showed me so much that one photo can hold so much power in editing skills. So I started keeping all my photos, and then if I don't like after editing, I could delete it then. But do not delete your photos before editing any time. Okay, that's a side note. Bye. And it would enhance the photo really well. It also helps while editing a bit because it makes the details pops out to be more rather than the phone. But if you are willing to shoot with phone, it would give you great results as well. It's not important how great the camera is, how innovative your photo shoot is. That's more important. So I hope you enjoyed this fun little photo shoot with me. So if you like this video, please let me know in the comment section down below so I can make more such videos. Until we meet, bye.